Hello, and welcome to my screencast tutorial for the web tool Graffiti Creator. To get started, go to www.graffiticreator.net. Once entered, you'll be brought to this page where you will see that there is a welcome statement and of course some ads. Scroll down just a little bit and you'll see that at the top here you're given many choices. We're just going to quickly look through some of these to see what our options are available. Because each of these offers something a little bit different. So for this one, we'll click on Start. It'll ask us for a text, and then we'll hit Create. And then this is the options that it'll give us. We're not going to work with this one, but just so I can show you what it looks like. If we go to Mind Gem, scroll down just a little bit, you can see that the options are the same except the layout is a little bit different. The one feature I do want to show, or there's actually two things I'd like to show you. One, this one gives you an option to print. The other thing is this one doesn't have a character limit. I can type several characters rather than just the 8 that the previous one gave me. Jedi Mind. Again, type in the text. You have similar options. This one will let you print as well, and of course generate once you type in the text. Chrome, again, the options are available just in a different format. Potent, Old School. The layout's quite different for this one. Bubbles. Now this one's interesting because it allows you to print and to save. The next one. This one allows you to print and save as well. Throw Up. Interesting name. This one just allows you to print. And then of course Wavy. And similar layout as the previous. Okay, so let's create our own. I switched back to Chrome 5 and I've already typed in my text, which is the detective. So I'll hit create and this is what I'll see. So one of the first options, I'll just work my way down, is the width. And as you can see, I can change it. So I'll just leave it like that. Same thing with height. I can just use the slider bar. Rotation, of course I can go upside down, sideways, we'll just leave it like that. Color, oh actually I'm going to skip over to here. I'm actually going to omit all the E's. Now any choices that I make, the E's should not be included. So let's go back here, let's go to Fill. And as you can see by the advanced options here, it'll show us what it actually does. So I'll pick this blue. And as you can see, the E's are omitted from the choices that I've made. Let's go down to here where it has sunset. Now you won't see any anything different until I choose a different color, but you'll see that the top of the lettering will be different. So let's pick a lighter green. Let's go really light. There, that looks good. Same thing with sunrise. That would be the bottom, and I'll just leave it like that actually. I'll keep the same color. Bubbles. Now I'm going to make them black so they stick out. Now if I want to have the colors change for the E's, this is how I would go about doing it. So as you can see, I've clicked off all the other letters except for the E's. So let's go to stripes now, and you can see that only the E's are being affected. And let's change the color to something like orange. If I wanted to do shadows on just the E's, and then I'll pick black because shadows should be black. Key line, and again I'll pick a color that'll stick out so you can see it. Maybe a red. Highlights, again, pick a different color. Background is something that, because we may not want the background to be white. So in this case it's blue because that's the last color that I selected, but I could make it a brown. And also too, I can pick on themes and I can make, then I can really start changing things. I can do a pre-made theme, or I can pick a random theme, and then the program will actually choose themes for me. And again, you'll notice that this is only affecting the E's, not the other letters. So that's basically how you get started with the Graffiti Creator. Give it a go. I'm sure your students will love it.